Hey guys, how's it growing? So we have a storm advisory for the next couple days. We're gonna get a lot of snow. We've probably already got like 3 or 4 inches, and I've already shoveled like an inch. But cows are eating away, and yeah, just hoping that everything goes okay with them. I'm glad that we put the bale rings so close because I can see them from my window. So I'm glad I can keep a close eye. I put the pigs up a little early tonight because of the snow. They don't really come out too much in the snowstorms. They like to dig through the snow and eat hay, but I figured I'd put them in a half an hour early. But yeah, until next one.